So it's got Red Shift 7. Got a poster in there too. This is super awesome. Super nice.
And it looks like we're getting a pure dial.
And I did end up with the pure dial. Okay, cool. This is actually what I was kind of hoping for.
All right, let's see what's in the box. Ooh, a Nodus. Ooh, look at that.
All right, so the company looks like it's Dreyfus & Co., handmade in Switzerland. This is a very good-looking watch.
Dreyfus & Company. Very impressed with this watch.
I'm excited to see this. Dreyfus & Company, handmade Swiss automatic. Pretty impressed with my first month of platinum.